Welcome to this technical guide on the HP EliteBook Dragonfly. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP EliteBook Dragonfly is running dead slow and takes forever to open anything, you're not alone. This sluggish performance often occurs due to a failing SSD, which can significantly affect your productivity. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further complications, including potential data loss or complete system failure. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, a plastic opening tool, and, of course, your new SSD for replacement. Now, let's get started with the repair. First, ensure the device is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage any clips. Once the cover is removed, locate the SSD, which is typically secured by a single screw. Remove this screw with your Phillips screwdriver. Gently slide the SSD out of its slot, being cautious not to touch the gold connectors. Now, take your new SSD and insert it into the same slot at an angle, ensuring it fits snugly. Secure it in place by replacing the screw you previously removed. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After replacing the SSD, reattach the back cover by aligning the clips and pressing down firmly until it clicks into place. Finally, power on your device and check if it operates smoothly. If everything is functioning well, congratulations! You've successfully replaced your SSD. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure you regularly back up your data and consider upgrading to a higher capacity SSD if you frequently run out of space. Additionally, keeping your operating system and software updated can help maintain optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.